In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open your MetaTrader 5 and you want to connect to your broker. If you want to know how to do this, I do have separate videos teaching you exactly that, so go watch that first. And then to place a trade, you have a bunch of different options. You can open your market watch over here top left by pressing Ctrl and M on your keyboard, and then you can, of course, go and right click and do a chart window, and from here you can go and place a trade by clicking on Show Trade Panel over here and then buying or selling over here using one-click trading, okay? That's the first way. The second one is to right-click on a symbol or asset and then click on a new order, and the order window is going to pop up. Then you could also go and, of course, when you are on any chart, you could right-click and you could click on over here, trading, and then click on either buy or sell or new order, which is going to open up the order panel as well. Or you could go and use the default keyboard shortcut for the order panel, which is the F9 key. So I'm going to press F9 and there we go. I've successfully pulled up this order window. Now, whenever you've accessed order window from any of your, of course, desired methods, you could go and select your order type. Over here on the left, you have 4 different types. And then over here, you have the symbol you can trade. Of course, you can change it over here before placing a trade. Then you can go and select the volume. I'm going to do 0.05. You can put on a stop loss and take profit if you want to, and then you can add comments to your order, and whenever you're done here, you can basically see, you can zoom in, zoom out, and see what's going on the chart right now, and then you can either sell or buy by market over here, or of course, whatever type you've done, and there we go. That's essentially how to place a trade in MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.